In this question, you're given that sigma I equal to 1 to 9, xi minus 5 is equal to 9. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 9, xi minus 5 whole square is equal to 45. We're asked to find the standard deviation of x1, x2, so on up to x9. So let us consider xi minus 5 as yi's. Xi minus 5 as yi. So, what is the variance of yi? Variance is equal to, what is the formula for variance? Sigma yi square by n minus y bar square. Sigma yi square by n minus y bar square is the formula for variance of yi. So according to this, sigma yi square is 45. Sigma yi square is 45. Number of readings is 9 minus, what is the mean of y? Mean is nothing but sigma yi by n. 9 by 9, which is 1 square. So that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And what is the standard deviation of yi? Root of variance, which is equal to 2. So as we know, standard deviation does not change on addition or subtraction of constant number to all these numbers. So if the standard deviation of xi minus 5 is 2, the standard deviations of xi's will also be equal to 2. So the standard deviation of xi or the standard deviation of yi plus 5, if the standard deviations of yi is equal to 2, standard deviation of yi plus 5 will also be equal to 2. Hence, the standard deviation of xi is also equal to 2. Thank you.